these kind of terrorist and anti-national elements have been encouraged by, these Mamata Banerjee TMC kind of parties. AAP, Kejriwal's party, these kind of, they are not with the students. They are afraid that Mananiya Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji is taking Bengal and taking India forward. So basically, it's a facade. Actually, it is, they are instigating the students to go ahead with anti-India movement because they are afraid that India is going forward under Narendra Modi ji's rule. Otherwise, you tell me, why would these kind of slogans come from a students' movement about NEET, Kashmir ko azad karo, 370 वापस करो? Why? What is the connection between NEET and Kashmir ko azad karo? That is very clear that outside external forces are there behind these parties and they want to destabilize our country, and we are not going to allow that. We are with the students, but on the facade of a student issue, if you think you are going to induct terrorists and destabilize our country, we will not allow that. Definitely not.
Ma'am, the operatives are also plan to abduct one minister's son through honey trap.
It is shocking and alarming. And my department's MOS son, they had planned to kidnap my chief minister, our chief minister, dynamic chief minister, Jono Neta, the mass leader. I know, he is always with the people, grounded, mixing with the people, but we are afraid of these terrorists. We want Honorable Chief Minister to use a jammer where he is going, to use bulletproof jacket, bulletproof car. Because, this culture of terrorism was inducted long back, 15 and more years back into Bengal. TMC MLAs shared the stage with PFI leader. PFI is a banned organization, a terrorist organization, and TMC leaders shared the stage. So we know what happened. Mamata Banerjee and TMC party played with the security of 10-11 crore people of Bengal and 140 crore people of Bharat. We will not allow that.
A Bengali author Taslima Nasreen yesterday says a dreamed of a subcontinent which would triumph over against the dogmatism, and scientific spirit should triumph over the dogmatism as well as the fanatic religion.
It is. There is no place for fanaticism in our country. And there is a statement called freedom of speech by the Constitution of India. So, and we also believe in Atiti Deva Bhava. Our guest is our God. So when Taslima Nasreen comes after 19 years to Bharat, to Bengal, to Calcutta, the intellectual capital of the country, we are there. Honorable Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari is there to welcome her. So we are not bothered about which Maulana, which Imam is, saying that they would come and protest. Maybe there is no freedom of speech in other countries, I don't know. But there is freedom of speech in my country, and I stand by Taslima Nasreen, who has always spoken against wrong. From the very first day to yesterday, she never deviated from her stand. She spoke out on torture on women. So if somebody tries to threaten the people of Bharat because we got Taslima, I think they are just, on wrong hands.
Finally, ma'am, BJP State President Shamik Bhattacharya yesterday has said that the party has yet to come out to eradicate the culture of extortion completely.
Our Honorable President, Mr. Shamik Bhattacharya, and our Chief Minister, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari, has categorically stated from the very first day, from 4th and before 4th, that anybody who within the party, outside the party, is seen taking extortion, is involved in a syndicate, tolabaji, or running a spurious liquor shop or running a illegal toll tax, the person will be prosecuted. And Honorable Chief Minister also released 4 helpline numbers. So anybody in the state, if you think anybody is involved with all these 4 things, please inform the 4, the free toll tax numbers. But if we find that you, whoever you are, is trying to falsely implicate a person because you have personal enmity with that person, we are not going to spare you also. Remember that.